Hello, welcome our the best 5 channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show some of the best Bluetooth receivers for car which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months in Amazon and AliExpress. Make sure check the description below for links and more information. Now enjoy your product. Number 1. TUNAI Firefly Bluetooth Receiver. World's smallest wireless audio Bluetooth 4.2 adapter with 3.5mm O for car home stereo music streaming. Auto on, no charging needed. Key features. Simple and effective, transforms your home stereo and car audio sound systems into wireless and Bluetooth compatible speakers with just one easy to use plug. No charging needed. Firefly automatically switches on when you start your engine or turn on your speaker. Great sound quality. We promise crystal clear MP3 sound quality or your money back. And no annoying voice prompts telling you your device is connected. Automatically reconnect and dual connection. Remembers up to 8 paired devices, so you can connect as soon as Bluetooth is switched on. Auto connects to the last device used. Dual connection seamless sharing. Can pair up to 2 devices at the same time to make music sharing even easier. Convenient compact design. Keep your audio system looking sleek thanks to its compact and stylish design. Color, multiple color available. Black, red, gold. Size, multiple size available. Car pack, home pack, premium pack. What's in the box? Car pack, Firefly Bluetooth receiver 3.5mm O extension cord. Home pack, Firefly Bluetooth receiver. O to Avenue convert cable 1 meter. Premium pack, Firefly Bluetooth receiver, 3.5mm O extension. Number 2. Mpow BH129 Bluetooth receiver for car hands-free calls, better music quality with CSR chip, 15 hours long playing time Bluetooth adapter, 1 second turn on off button car kits, dual link. Voice assistant. Key features. Mpow flagship Bluetooth adapter, designed perfect for non-Bluetooth car home stereo system with 3.5mm O ports to be Bluetooth enabled. CSR chip for CD-like music feast. Adopted CSR chip for providing more stable and faster transmission with less power consumption, which can represent a superior audio performance to spoil your ear and never feeling boring while driving. Built-in mic for safer hands-free calls while driving. Just press the answer button to answer or hang up your phone calls while driving. Dual link for more choice. Mpow can connect 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time for enjoying your music and won't miss any calls. 1 second switching button. Mpow Bluetooth car O adapter designed with physical on-off switch and humanized widened volume track button on the side for quick wide compatibility receiver. Stream stereo music wirelessly through most home audio systems. Car stereo system. 1. Voice assistant. Mpow 129 supports voice assistant for match your smart life and safer driving. 2. Easy to control. Just long pressing the multifunction button 1 second to active or end this function. Customer reviews, 4.5 out of 5. Customer rating by feature. Sound quality 4.4. Bluetooth connectivity 4.4. Volume control 4.4. Number 3. TaoTronics Bluetooth Car Kit, Bluetooth receiver, Bluetooth 4.2 hands-free audio adapter. Key features. Safe phone calls while driving. Drive completely safe with both hands on the steering wheel while still being able to answer phone calls thanks to the TaoTronics receiver. Universal car compatibility. Find the ideal spots for the receiver in every car thanks to its 2 installation modes. Via the magnetic base that is mountable with 3M adhesive tape or the integrated air vent clip. Double connectivity for twice the freedom. Connect up to 2 Bluetooth compatible devices with the receiver and enjoy multitasking freedom at its best. Straightforward controls. We doubled up your safety while driving with the extremely user-friendly controls. Don't tediously look for the red button to push. Complete car kit. TaoTronics gives you a completely free of charge USB car charger 5V 2.1A, so your car is perfectly equipped for every road trip, adventure, or work commute. Customer reviews, 4.4 out of 5. Customer rating by feature. Battery life 4.4. Bluetooth connectivity 4.4. Sound quality 4.4. Number 4. Mpow MPR2 Bluetooth car kits for hands-free calling, Bluetooth receiver, Bluetooth adapter 3-in-1 with dual USB car charger and ground loop noise isolator for car audio system. Product description. Mpow Bluetooth receiver, say no to noise. Mpow sells Bluetooth receiver with bundling ground loop noise isolator, which helps decrease the buzzing noise some cars make while playing music, thus giving you the best music experience. Bluetooth 4.0. Bluetooth 4.0 technology offers significantly lower power consumption and more stable signal transmission than previous versions, thus giving you a lossless audio transmission and crystal clear phone calls and music. Broad compatibility. Works with almost all Bluetooth devices and all cars with a 3.5mm input. Simple operation. 1. Fix the receiver on the best position of the car. 2. Connect the receiver to the ON jack of the car stereo system. 3. Connect the receiver to the car charger. 4. Plug the car charger into the cigarette socket. 5. Pair the receiver to your smart device. 6. Adjust the car radio to ON mode. 7. Now you can enjoy your music through the car stereo system. Number 5. Anker Soundsync A3352 Bluetooth receiver for music streaming with Bluetooth 5.0, 12-hour battery life, hands-free calls, dual device connection, for car, home stereo, headphones, speakers. Key features. Bluetooth 5.0, the latest Bluetooth technology, delivers an ultra-stable connection. Wireless music streaming, stream music to non-Bluetooth headphones and speakers. Superior battery life. Enjoy up to 12 hours of playtime. Hands-free calls, plug into your car and answer calls while you drive. Dual pairing, connect two Bluetooth devices at once to listen to music, make phone calls, and more. What you get: 1 Soundsync A3352 Bluetooth receiver, 1 charging cable, 1 3.5mm O cable, 1 3.5mm audio adapter. Customer reviews: 4.4 out of 5. Customer rating by feature. Material quality 4.8. Battery life 4.6. Sound quality 4.5. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. And make sure to enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.